Chime and Klover solve different money problems. Chime is built around everyday banking, while Klover focuses on paycheck advances and short-term cash flow support. By the end, you'll know how Chime and Klover compare on features, fees, and which app makes more sense for your situation. The main difference is simple. Chime is designed to help you manage your money through banking features, while Klover is designed to help you access money before your next paycheck. First, look at what each app is built for. Chime works more like a digital banking account. It focuses on spending, saving, and managing your money through its app. If you want one place to handle everyday financial tasks, Chime's approach is built around that use case. Klover takes a different approach. It focuses on paycheck advances, allowing eligible users to access money before payday. It is more about handling short-term cash needs, rather than replacing your main bank account. Next, compare the features you actually need. If you are looking for a banking app you can use regularly, Chime may be the better fit because its main purpose is managing your money over time. If you already have a bank account and mainly need help covering expenses before your paycheck arrives, Klover may be more relevant because its main feature is early access to funds. Fees are another area where you should compare carefully. The cost of using each app depends on the specific service, account options, and terms available to you. Check the details shown in the app before choosing, because the lowest cost option depends on how you plan to use it. The right choice comes down to your goal. Choose Chime if you want a digital banking experience with tools for regular spending and money management. Choose Klover if your main priority is paycheck advance access and managing gaps between paydays. Before signing up, review the eligibility requirements, available features, and any fees shown for your account. That gives you the clearest comparison based on your own situation. To summarize, Chime is focused on everyday banking, while Klover is focused on accessing money before payday. Compare the features you actually need, then pick the app that matches how you manage your money. Subscribe for more straightforward comparisons of popular finance apps.